Hello guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm preparing some homemade beef burger, and what you're seeing on your screens is some minced beef. I've added some finely chopped onions, and then I'm going to season this with some salt, some chili powder, some black pepper, paprika powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. After which I'm going to give that a good mix, and I'm going to divide this into some 3 equal portions. Mold it, shape it up into a round ball, all the 3 of them, then keep them in the fridge. After which I'm going to prepare my buns by adding some all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl, some dry yeast, some sugar, and then I'm going to give that a good mix, and then I'm going to add a pinch of salt, 1 piece of egg, and using some warm water I'm going to mix this in and combine it using a spatula. After which I'm going to add in my butter and fold it into a round circular ball, which I'm going to cover up the same mixing bowl to let it proof. And after that I'm going to, using my working surface, I'm going to dust some flour on it and place my dough right there, fold it up, as you can see, folding it in, giving it a good knead. After which I'm going to divide it into some 4 equal portions and continue folding it into some round circular holes, which I'm going to place in the baking tin and let them prove again for another 30 minutes. After this, I'm going to subdivide this into another 4 portions. Reasons why: I want to make some mini buns and some jumbo buns, and after which I'm going to use some egg wash and some melted butter to apply on the bread during the baking process. First, on the jumbo buns, I'm going to apply the egg wash, and then I'm going to bake this for 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. And this is the end result, which I'm going to apply some butter on it, as I said, and I'm going to let the bread rest as I prepare my beef pate, which I'm going to flatten up using my tools, and then I'm going to fry this on some hot oil, which I'm going to, since I like my meat well done, I'm going to take my time with this. And I'm also going to introduce my beef burger cheese, which I'm going to add in and place them right on top, and place these burgers on a baking tin and place them in the oven to finish off the baking. Here I'm slicing my bread into half, mixing my mayonnaise, mustard, and some ketchup and hot sauce into a small bowl, which I'm going to use to apply on my bread. After that, the bread is already toasted and ready to apply some of that sauce on it, then some rocket leaves on it and some sliced tomatoes. After which I'm going to apply my sauce on the other side, place it on top, place my fries, and enjoy my meal.